All right, so here we go. Let's take a look to see what happened in the markets today, Tuesday, March 9th, and we are trying to do this in 5 minutes or less. Well, holy cannoli, what a difference a day makes. Let's take a look at all the indices. Now, first of all, let's take a look at a Dow. And after making a new record high intraday, the Dow finished pretty much unchanged, up 0.1%, so that doesn't really count. But let's take a look at the S&P. The S&P did a little bit better, up 1.4%. But here is the kicker. Look at the Nasdaq. I mean, holy cannoli. Today it skyrocketed 4% for its best day in 4 months. Now, yesterday, the Nasdaq officially entered correction territory, which is defined as a 10% drop from the most recent high. And today it is up 4%, so a correction from the correction. So let's talk about it. What the heck happened here? Well, to be honest, nothing. You see, yes, some say it's because the 10-year notes closed higher today, but let's take a look at this. And here are the 10-year notes, and yes, they closed up a little bit higher today, as you can see. But seriously, this little thing here is causing a 4% surge? Not really, right? And others say it's because of the $1.9 trillion stimulus bill, which is expected to pass the House today. But come on, that's not news. We already knew this yesterday. You see, today it seems the motto was, let's buy some tech stocks. And let's take a look at this here. I always like to look at the Finviz map because here, this looks so different today. You see, yesterday's losers became today's darlings. So we almost can draw a line here. Well, that wasn't the best line, but you get the idea. I mean, all of the tech stocks did really well. Microsoft finished 2.8% higher. Amazon gained 3.8%. Apple had a great day today, finished 4% higher. But let's take a look at the big news that happened today. And the big news today was Tesla. There we go. Tesla skyrocketed almost 20% higher. And there weren't really any news that caused this move. In a nutshell, traders and investors went shopping and said, well, what's cheap right now? Oh, let's pick up Tesla because Tesla dropped from the most recent high. This year is a drop of 40%. So Tesla seemed to be cheap, and this is why everybody said, you know what, let's pick up some Tesla. And so today it skyrocketed up 20%. Now, all of these were winners, but we also had some big losers today. And the big loser today was Stitch Fix. And Stitch Fix reported earnings, and they were worse than expected, and shares were down, as you can see, 28%. Now, take a look at GameStop. GameStop is back. Shares of GameStop jumped 27%, and we are now above the 200 mark again. And this was tacking on to yesterday's move of 41%. But you see, this time the move is more substantiated, what we are seeing here, because the company said it has created a new strategy committee. And the chairman of the committee is Ryan Cohen. And if you heard this name, yes, you're absolutely right. Ryan Cohen is the co-founder of Chewy. Now, we also had other meme stocks on the move today, and these are stocks that are heavily promoted on Reddit by Wall Street Bets. And the most notable today was AMC. As you can see here, AMC also moving higher, up 13%. So where do we stand? Let's go back to the indices here for a moment, and let's actually go back to the Nasdaq, because I want to show you what I think is going to happen here over the next few days. So I believe that the Nasdaq will actually go higher for another day or two, and then we might see a little bit of pullback on Friday ahead of the weekend. But hey, Don't take my word for it. Always trade what you see and not what you think. Anyhow, this wraps up today's stock market news in 5 minutes or less. And it really took us just shy of 5 minutes. Anyhow, hope that you have a great rest of your day and I will see you in the next video. Take care.